Well,
hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Mikey Choi, and welcome back to another vlog.
Oh, hell no!
Now, today's episode, I will be going to Dick's Sporting Goods because I am looking for a Stanley Cup that everyone's been bitching about since the beginning of this year. So yeah, let's make breakfast together. Come on, guys. And before I get the show on the road, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it. And please follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description at the Mikey Choi. And speaking about Instagram, I might make a new Instagram post. 2 birds and 1 stone, right? A new vlog and a new Instagram post. All right, guys. I know I haven't been around because, you know, I was sick and I was too busy with work, unfortunately. And I am looking for a new job. Pretty much like almost everyone else. So, yeah, wish me luck. Well, I have a new creation today, so cook with me. Okay, so you're going to need some milk bread. Preferably the one from Paris Baguette. Can't wait to go back to Carlos next year. You need 2 slices of bread, milk bread, okay? And you need a frying pan, obviously. And gotta turn this shit on. You need some butter, of course. And 1 tablespoon should be good enough, I think. And put that shit in there. Cover the frying pan with the butter. Oh yeah, make sure like you're on like mid-heat for the stove. Something like this. So yeah, pretty much like that. Grab your bacon as well. I only have like 3 slices, so I'm just gonna use 3 of them. Joints. Okay, oh, this is a disaster. Make sure the breads like look like this. So yeah, I'm gonna put this down. Okay, now let's get to the best part, the bacon. I'm gonna use all 3 slices. Something like this. Okay, well guys, while these are like cooled off, right? Okay, get your favorite like butter, you know, I like Biscoff, so make sure these toasts are like, you know, not very hot, so that way the butter won't melt. And yeah. Spread them like this. Make sure to get them both sides. Spread the butter like this. You can use Nutella as well. Like, I guess it's like very similar to like the Elvis Presley sandwich, like because like he had like bacon and peanut butter and jelly. Okay, here's the magical part. Okay, grab your bacon and then put them on the bread. This is what it should look like. All right, I can't wait to try this out. All right, I shall call this the Mikey Choi sandwich. 2 milk bread, bacon, Biscoff or Nutella. Yeah, similar to the Elvis Presley sandwich. Now, before I do so, I'm going to pray to God before I eat it. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass us. And lead us not to temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever. Amen. All right, I'm going to try this. The Mikey Choi sandwich. All right. 3, 2, 1. This is so good, guys. Try this at home. Try the Mikey Choi sandwich. Biscoff or Nutella, whatever you have, try it. A little sweet. I wash it down with some good old apple juice. Gotta have your vegetable, guys. I'm gonna eat a banana. This is a vegetable, by the way. And you gotta have your your fruit as well. I'm eating tomatoes. Okay, so recently, like me, my mom, and my dad, we're all eating like tomatoes right now. So, yeah, we are the tomato family. And hopefully I don't eat Bob the tomato from VeggieTales. Yeah. Man, that was a really good show. Like, I remember watching it when I was like a little kid in church. Yeah, those were good times. Alright guys, I'm on the train and I have a seat for myself. That was close. Alright guys, I am finally at Dick's Sporting Goods. Check this out. Yeah, here we go. Okay guys, I am finally inside Dick's Sporting Goods and wow, they have a lot of Stanley cups here. Check this out. Yeti. Never seen anyone use it. However, I saw a lot of people use the Stanley cups. However, the real question is, what color should I buy? That's the real question. Eureka, damn right, Eureka. There's a lot of Stanley cups here. Ooh, holy shit. I think I saw a lot of people buying the 40 ounce. Oh, wow, this is a very big cup. How much does it cost? Let's see. I think like 40 ounces, like 45 bucks. All right, let me see which one has the best color. I feel like pink is like very popular, but you know, I saw another color that's like very interesting. I mean, it's like orange, but it's like different though. Hold on, they should be around here. Yeah, like I was like very surprised to see them. Like I thought they'd be sold out, but I guess not. There's like a lot. But I'm just only gonna buy just one Stanley Cup. I think that should be enough. Look at all these fucking wannabes. Bunch of dick eaters. Let's see here, some new shoes. They're not bad. Oh yeah, I remember wearing these when I was in high school. They were cool. And I've been wearing these for like 3 years. Yeah, I need to step up my game. Yeah, sports are not my thing. I mean, I tried to be interested, but it's just not interesting. You know, that's just my opinion. And I'm gonna get a lot of hate, so yeah. But who cares? I'm an influencer. Some more. Oh, these are Stanleys, huh? Yeah, not a big fan. I think like people are going crazy with the 40 ounce than a 30 ounce. I don't know. Maybe I'm either gonna buy this one or this one. Yeah, this is a bit girly, but I don't know. I mean, look around more. I mean, it's not bad, I guess. It's not bad. I mean, orange is one of my favorite colors. Okay, so I looked up like Le Seraphim from Coachella, and like they use like the 40 ounce. They use the 40 ounce Stanley cups. So yeah. Okay, let's see here. Okay, screw it. I'm just going with orange because it is one of my favorite colors, and I believe Le Seraphim used the 40 ounce. Yeah, so I saw on TikTok. I've heard this color is like very popular, but you know, I like orange better. Gonna buy this now. I mean, I'm only here for the Stanley Cup. Okay, so I finally bought the cup. I can't wait to make an Instagram post. I mean, I can't wait to try out the cup. Real question is, how can I try out the cup? All right, I'll read it when I get home. All right, guys, I am finally home. It's been a long ride. Here's my Stanley cup. All right, there's some... Yeah, oh, it's pretty heavy as well. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Yeah, let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, you gotta remove it like this. And that's what it looks like. There's like some paper inside. Care and use. What the whole thing looks like. Bunch of words. Wow, this is like pretty heavy. I don't know. Should I like remove this? I mean, I don't want to. All right, I'm definitely gonna wash the inside because I don't know if someone put their mouths in. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to get it dirty. I don't want my drinks to be dirty. I want it to be refreshing and clean. Okay, that was cringy. I'm gonna remove the tag for another day. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos. This is the vlog, and yeah. Thank you all for watching. Welcome back, everyone. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's at the Mikey Choi. And please leave a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I don't know when the next vlog will release, but probably this month. So, yeah. Well, that's all, folks. Mikey Choi and Stanley collab.